Good evening and welcome to Wednesday's edition of the Regional News. I am Antonio D. We begin with news in Trinidad and Tobago. A High Court judge has dismissed attorney C.J. Williams' application to stop the use of blindfolds during attorney-client visits at Teteron Barracks detention facility. Justice Westman James ruled that the blindfolds were reasonable due to security concerns. Williams represents inmate Orville Richards, charged with the 2014 murder of Senior Counsel Dana Seetahal, who is being held under the state of emergency regulations. Justice James ruled that the request for a blindfold while moving through the site did not constitute a breach of rights and was not unreasonable under the circumstances. Attorney Renuka Rambajan stated that the prison facility continues to allow in-person visits while also offering virtual meetings to address concerns. Following a recent visit, Williams announced he would contact Criminal Bar Association head Israel Khan and Law Association President Lynette Sibaram Sweet regarding breaches of attorney-client privilege. He faced multiple conditions before meeting his client, including a ban on electronics and permission to use only pen and paper. However, he found the demand to be blindfolded for national security reasons excessive. Despite his claustrophobia, he reluctantly agreed, but was unsettled by the presence of 5 masked men in tactical gear during the meeting. Aaron Lewis instructed Williams for Richards. Ian Benjamin, Senior Counsel, appeared for the Commissioner of Prisons, while Jared Jagru appeared with Ramlagan, Senior Counsel for Attorney General. Williams said on Tuesday that he disagreed with the judgment. Over to news in Antigua and Barbuda. A judge has sentenced a teenager to 3 years in prison for the murder of a Syrian businessman, issuing warnings about youth violence in his ruling. The 16-year-old defendant shot the 25-year-old during a daylight robbery and was already on bail for gun charges. Justice Tundi Bakri expressed concern over the rising violent crime among minors, stating the potential danger being unleashed on the society of Antigua and Barbuda due to the sentence. The judge noted that while the law defines such offenders as children, their acts and deeds are not anywhere near that of a child. They have become a menace to the entire society, and something urgently has to be done. He emphasized the severity of the situation, stating that the main essence of government is to protect the citizens, and there must be more concerted effort at doing this to rid society of this impending danger by supporting the youths to make their lives more meaningful. Justice Bakri advised the family to rehabilitate the accused before it is too late. He imposed the maximum sentence for a minor with 550 days on remand deducted. Upon release, the accused must check in at a police station twice a week and observe a curfew from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. for 1 year. His co-accused in his 20s is still awaiting arraignment. And finally, with some news in the international diaspora. President Donald Trump announced on Wednesday that the United States will impose a 25% tariff on goods imported from India starting August 1. He also mentioned an unspecified penalty for India on that date, but no provided details. In a Truth Social post, Trump criticized India for having high tariffs and strict trade barriers, noting that while India is a friend, trade has been limited. He pointed out India's military purchases from Russia and its significant energy ties with the country, especially amid the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. India's Commerce Ministry did not respond to requests for comment, and Trump's decision undermines hopes for a limited trade agreement that has been under negotiation for months. Thank you for watching. I'm Antonio Lee. Goodbye for now.